myself, you're cordially invited to call us today. You'll discover how affordable it is to replace your garage door spring. In fact, we think you'll be pleasantly surprised at just how affordable it is. We've helped hundreds of homeowners when they were faced with a broken garage door spring. I'm absolutely positive that we can help you also. To request pricing, call us at the number on your screen. You can call at any time, regardless of the day or hour. We are always available to answer your questions. Phone consultations are always free, and of course, you'll have no obligation. We actually like what we do, and it makes us feel good to solve people's problems. Call us. We're standing by to help you immediately.